How does a car accident happen with an Uber Eats driver?
Well, in terms of just Uber in general, something that's important for everyone to know is that if you're involved in a collision either in an Uber or the other car involved is an Uber driver, there's going to be coverage that's going to be available to you. If you're an Uber driver and you get rear-ended, you're going to have underinsured motorist coverage available to you, right? And it may be in the form of $50,000, or it may be in the form of all the way up to $1 million. It depends on what the stage of the ride you're in, right? Uber separates based on the stage that you're in. Are you in stage 1, meaning yes, you're an Uber driver, but you don't have the app turned on? Are you in stage 2, which yes, I'm an Uber driver, I'm logged into the app, but I don't have any passengers? Or are you in stage 3 that, I got Bill Umansky as my passenger and I'm currently taking him to the airport for his flight? If you're in that latter stage 3 and you get rear-ended, Uber, typically Progressive, there's gonna be available to you up to $1 million in coverage. If you are an Uber driver, and hey, if you're a passenger, you're Bill Umansky, if you're that passenger that's rear-ended on your way to the airport, you're gonna have not only a personal policy that may be available to you, but you're gonna have that Uber policy, and that goes the same for Lyft. Lyft has the mandatory minimum liability coverage depending on the stage of the ride you're in. So to Uber Eats, depending on the stage of the delivery you're in, that delivery driver is going to have certain policies. That's something that's important to know, that if you're rear-ended by an individual who may not be driving Domino's delivery car that has the logo on the roof, it's important that you get yourself a qualified car accident attorney who can do that investigation work to determine, hey, was this person working at the time? And if so, who they're working for? Because if they're working for Uber or Lyft or Uber Eats, there's going to be potential for coverage that you may not otherwise know about.